we come. Now, no one can show up at the lyrics to say ours. Into thy presence we come in. Into thy presence we come. And at midnight, Paul and Silas continue singing. They prayed and sang praises unto God, and the prisoners heard them. And at the midnight hour, by the grace and the grace alone, to thy prayer. We're getting there. Into thy presence we come into thy presence we come. Not by the works we have done, no. Not by the works we have done. Oh, but by the grace and the grace alone. You can just let it out now. Into thy presence we come in. Please take it out, take it out. Not by the works we have done, by the works we have done, but by the grace, oh, by the grace and the grace alone. Please give me volume of that keyboard. Into thy presence. One more time. Oh, into the presence we come in. Not by the works we have done, no. Oh, but by the grace and the grace, oh, by the grace alone. This is the move we waited for. These are the flowers we cried out for. This is the move we waited for. These are the floods we cried out for. This is the move we waited for. These are the floods we cried out for. For this is the move we waited for. These are the floods we've cried out for. This is the move we waited for. These are the floods we cried out for. We cried out. So pour of yourself, of yourself. So pour of yourself, pour of yourself, of yourself. Can we sing together and imagine? This is the move we've waited for. cried out, Lord. This is the move we waited for. This is the move we waited for. These are the floods we cried out for. We cried out for. This is the move we waited for. This is the move we waited for. And these are the floods we cried out for. These are the floods we cried out for. So pour of yourself, of yourself, oh God. The Bible says in this book that we read, at the midnight hour, Paul and Silas prayed unto God. And not only did they pray, but they also sang praises unto him. And they sang praises unto who, Bazalwan? They sang praises unto? They sang praises unto? There's a book I'm reading. It says, Dear Worship Leader. And in this book, this writer says, we have spent so much time as worshippers, not as singers, but as worshippers, seeking to worship and please and bless people. But that is not the agenda behind. That is not the purpose behind the exercise of worship. The exercise of worship, particularly singing, is for you to bless God. And God blesses his own people. Paul and Silas, they sang praises unto God. And the prisoners, they heard them. I don't know whether does not make sense that in the midnight hour, after you have been beaten up so bad, the Bible says, at the midnight hour, I want you to visualize this. The Bible says, and out of his own discretion, he decided to put them into the inner cell. It is not a command that was given, but he used his discretion. But okay, I'm going to put these ones into the inner prison. But at the midnight hour, I want you to visualize this thing. And they were chained. The Bible says, but they sang praises unto God. And the prisoners, can you imagine imagine you are in prison. You are arrested with these two guys. They are in solitary confinement. But all of a sudden you are sleeping and it's the midnight hour. But at it somebody is going through the midnight hour of being on probation. Okay, maybe you are one fail away to going home.